song's called Rosie the Riveter. Copyright 2025 by Michael Walker. She came down from a long day in hell. Kids to feed, and know that chore so well. She still looked good, throwing salt over her shoulder. She looked good, yeah, playing Rosie the Riveter. She came down from double at the restaurant. Hungry kids hanging on her apron. She still looked good, giving them all the kiss. She still looked good, she's really Rosie the Riveter. Still believes in all those dreams she once had. Still believes that people are basically good. Still believes that she will find a new love. She's Rosie the Riveter. Rosie the Riveter. She came down from Connecticut to Memphis. All of the sessions falling out on the road. She still looked good hanging on the steering column. She still looked good, I call her Rosie the Riveter. Rosie the Riveter. Rosie the Riveter.